Are you struggling to build your chest without hitting the gym? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, MQRW Push-Up Board. First up is the MQRW Push-Up Board, a portable exercise system priced at $64.49. What caught my attention was its unique design that helps you target different muscle groups efficiently, boosting your workout effectiveness by up to 80%. If you want a way to amp up your chest workouts at home, this is worth a serious look. This push-up board comes with color-coded sections to guide you on which muscles you're working out: chest, triceps, shoulders, and back. It's made from durable ABS material, ensuring stability even at a maximum weight of 600 pounds. And with over 10,000 units sold recently, it seems like a popular choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a compact, all-in-one solution for your workouts, this board can replace bulky gym equipment and fit right into your living space. Now, some people complained about it being a bit cumbersome to set up at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the time you save on not having to adjust multiple pieces of gym equipment makes it a worthwhile trade-off for many. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a complete workout system that you can use anywhere. Skip this one if you're after something that requires no setup at all, or you prefer more traditional equipment. Now, if the portability of the MQRW board caught your interest but you want something even more adaptable, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer. Next, we have the Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer, priced at just $23.21. The compact design and adjustable resistance caught my eye right away, making it an appealing option for anyone tight on space. If you want to tone your arms and chest without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This trainer allows you to easily switch resistance levels from 20 to 60 pounds, catering to your fitness goals. It's lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere, making it perfect for those busy days when hitting the gym isn't possible. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during intense workouts, which is crucial when you're pushing your limits. However, a few users reported that the resistance can feel too low for advanced trainers. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or looking for something to supplement your routine, the adjustable levels make it a solid entry point into strength training. This is great for beginners or anyone wanting to enhance their home workouts without a huge investment. Skip this if you're already at an advanced level and need heavier weights for your routine. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more versatility. Product number 3, RENRUI Twister Arm Trainer. Moving on, we've got the RENRUI Twister Arm Trainer retailing for $36.75. What stood out to me is its 5 progressive resistance levels, ranging from 40 to 130 pounds. If you want to grow stronger over time, this is definitely worth considering. Plus, it's designed with a U-shaped handle that minimizes wrist strain and ensures a secure grip. This is crucial, especially during those longer workout sessions when you don't want to risk injury. Some users did mention concern over the assembly instructions being unclear. Here's my take: while that could be frustrating once you figure it out, the performance is solid and the durability is impressive, thanks to its carbon steel construction. This is perfect for anyone looking for a flexible training tool that adapts with their progress. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward piece of equipment without the need for adjustments. Now, if you value versatility even more, wait till you see the next product that combines multiple workouts into one. Product number 4, WAKI-SA Twister Arm Trainer. Up next is the WAKI-SA Twister Arm Trainer, priced at $51.59. The adjustable hydraulic resistance caught my eye immediately, allowing you to adjust from 22 to 440 pounds. If you want a serious challenge for your chest workouts, this one's worth a serious look. This unique feature means you can tailor your workouts exactly to your level of strength and experience. It's designed for stability, thanks to its reinforced triangular structure, keeping you safe even during intense sessions. The best part? It also transforms into a 3-in-1 tool for OB workouts and resistance bands, giving you more bang for your buck. However, a few customers found it a bit bulky for storage. Here's the thing though, the versatility and durability make it a fantastic investment for those serious about home workouts. Having a multifunctional device can save you a ton of space. This is perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want to get the most out of their home gym. Skip this if you have a really tight space and need something more compact. Lastly, let's look at one more option that's easy to pack and travel with, making it a great addition to your fitness arsenal. Product number 5, InnoJoy Twister Arm Trainer. Finally, we have the InnoJoy Twister Arm Trainer priced at $30.95. I love its portable, lightweight design that makes it easy to take anywhere. If you want a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this should catch your attention. The adjustable resistance ranges from 60 to 100 pounds, making it super adaptable for anyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to push your limits. The ergonomic grip and anti-slip design are also big pluses, especially for those longer workout sessions where comfort is key. Some reviews pointed out that it might not be durable for heavy lifters. Here's the reality: if you're after something for moderate workouts or a supplemental tool, this can fit the bill nicely without breaking the bank. This is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-store workout option. Skip this if you need a serious heavy-duty machine for advanced training. Now, let's wrap up and compare these 5 options so you can decide which one's the best for your home workouts. So to wrap it all up, we started with the MQRW push-up board, a great all-in-one option, followed by the Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer for budget-friendly beginners. The RE and RUI Twister Arm Trainer offered adjustable resistance, while the WAKISA brought versatility to the table with its hydraulic resistance. Finally, the InnoJoy Twister Arm Trainer is a solid pick for those on a budget. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the WAKISA Twister Arm Trainer because of its adjustable resistance and multifunctionality, making it ideal for anyone serious about their fitness journey. On the other hand, I'd recommend avoiding the Kotfter Twister Arm Trainer if you're more advanced and need heavier weights. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.